Welcome back to ConnectLink, a community where entrepreneurs, talent, and investors build startups. For those who are new to our channel, I will tell you more about ConnectLink at the end of the video. Watch till the end. Today, I'm going to discuss the topic of how to launch your startup successfully. If you've been dreaming of starting your own business, this video is a must-watch. We will guide you through the essential steps to help you lay a strong foundation for your startup. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Finding your unique value proposition. The first step to a successful startup launch is identifying your unique value proposition. What problem does your product or service solve? How does it differentiate itself from existing solutions? Take the time to understand your target audience and their pain points. This will help you create a compelling value proposition that resonates with your potential customers. Step 2. Conducting market research. Once you have a clear value proposition, it is crucial to conduct a thorough market research. Analyze your industry, competitors, and target market. Identify trends, customer preference, and potential opportunities. This research will help you refine your business idea and make informed decisions throughout the launch process. Step 3. Developing a solid business plan. A well-structured business plan is a roadmap for your startup success. It outlines your goals, strategies, financial projections, and marketing plans. Your business plan should also include an executive summary, company description, market analysis, organizational structure, and product or service details. Creating a comprehensive business plan will not only guide you but also attract potential investors and partners. Step 4. Building a strong team. Surrounding yourself with a talented and dedicated team is vital for a successful startup launch. Assess the skills and expertise required for your business and hire individuals who align with your vision. Remember, a diverse team with complementary skills can bring fresh perspectives and enhance your chance of success. We also make a video talking about how to assemble the right people. Don't forget to check it out. I have put the link in the description. Step 5. Securing funding. Now let's talk about funding your startup. Whether you bootstrap, seek venture capital, or explore crowdfunding options, securing adequate funding is essential. Investors often look for a well-prepared pitch deck, a solid business plan, and a passionate team. Explore different funding resources and choose the one that aligns with your long-term goals. In our video, How to Secure Fundings for Your Startup, we scrutinized all the detailed tips and strategies to help you secure funding. Please remember to check the link in the description. Step 6. Building your minimum viable product. Developing a minimum viable product or MVP is a crucial step in the startup launch process. Focus on building the core features that address your customers' needs. Use customers' feedback to refine your product iteratively. Remember, an MVP is not about perfection, but about delivering value and validating your business idea. If you have trouble in building MVP with limited budget, you may have a look at our video of how to find free contributors to build an MVP. The link is also attached in the description. Step 7. Creating a marketing strategy. You've developed your product, but how do you get it in front of your target audience? That is where a well-crafted marketing strategy comes into play. Identify the most effective channels to reach your audience and create compelling content to engage them. Leveraging social media, content marketing, influencer partnerships, and other relevant tactics to build awareness and drive customer acquisition. There are several common methods to do effective marketing, such as social media marketing, Select relevant social media platforms. Identify the social media platforms where your target audience is most active and create engaging profiles on those channels. Create engaging and shareable content. Develop compelling content that resonates with your target audience, encourages social sharing, and showcase the value your product brings. Build a strong social media presence. Consistently engage with your followers, respond to comments and messages, and foster a community around your brand. Create valuable and informative content, such as develop blog posts, videos, infographics, and other content formats that educate, entertain, and provide values to your audience. Develop a content calendar and strategy. Plan your content in advance, ensuring a consistent flow of high-quality materials that align with your brand and resonate with your audience. Utilize various content formats. Diversify your content to cater to different learning styles and preferences, maximizing your reach and engagement. You can also do the paid advertising. Determine suitable advertising channels. Identify the platforms where your target audience is most likely to be present and create targeted ads accordingly, such as the Google Ads, Facebook Ads. Set a budget and bidding strategy. Allocate your marketing budget wisely and define bidding strategies that maximize the ROI of your advertising campaigns. Monitor and optimize ad campaigns. Continuously track the performance of your ads, make data-driven adjustments, and optimize them for better reach, click-through rates, and conversions. Or you can do the influencer marketing. Identify relevant influencers in your industry. Research and connect with influencers who have a strong presence among your target audience. Build relationships with influencers. Engage with influencers. Offer collaborations or partnership and leverage their reach to amplify your message and gain credibility. Collaborate on content creation or promotion campaigns. Work with influencers to co-create content or run joint promotional campaigns that expose your brand to their followers. You can also do the email marketing. Build an email list and segment it. Create a database of email subscribers, segment them based on demographics or behavior, and tailor your email campaigns accordingly. Craft personalized and engaging email campaigns. Send targeted emails that provide value, such as exclusive offers, educational contents, or updates on new product features. Use automation to nurture leads and convert them into customers. Implement email automation and to deliver a series of timely and relevant messages, nurturing leads and guiding them through the conversion process. In our another video of how to do marketing with the list codes, you can get more information of the marketing strategies and tips. The link is also attached in the description. Step 8. Execution and launch. Finally, it's time to launch your startup. Celebrate this milestone, but remember that launching is just the beginning. Listen to the customer's feedback. Iterate your project and adapt your strategies as necessary. Stay agile, learn from your mistakes, and keep evolving to meet your customers' evolving needs. For a successful execution and launch, consider the following crucial strategies. First, set a launch date and create buzz. Build anticipation around your launch by teasing your audience with sneak peeks, countdowns, and behind-the-scenes content. Secondly, conduct a soft launch or beta testing. Offer your product to a limited audience or a select group of beta testers to gather feedback, identify potential issues, and make necessary improvements. Thirdly, plan a launch event or webinar. Organize a launch event or webinar to showcase your product's features and benefits, generate media coverage, and attract potential customers. Fourthly, leverage user-generated content and customer testimonials. Encourage your customers to share their experience with your product and utilize their testimonials in your marketing materials to build trust and social proof. Step 9. Post-launching strategies. Startup launching is just the beginning. To ensure sustained success, consider the following post-launch strategies. 1. Monitor and analyze key metrics. Track important metrics such as website traffic, conversions, and engagement to measure the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. 2. Continuously optimize marketing efforts. Conduct A/B testing of ads, landing pages, and email campaigns to refine your targeting and messaging based on data insights. 3. Implement customer acquisition strategies. Develop and execute strategies to attract and acquire new customers, such as targeted advertising, content marketing, social media campaigns, and partnerships. Focus on expanding your customer base to fuel growth and increase revenue. 4. Stay adaptable and embrace feedback. Continuously adapt your product based on user feedback and evolving market demands, ensuring you deliver a solution that meets customers' needs. You now have a solid understanding of how to launch your startup successfully. Remember, building a startup is a challenging journey, but with the right mindset, preparation, and execution, you can achieve great things. Stay passionate, stay focused, and never stop learning. We believe in your potential. We hope this video has been helpful to you. You can also find more details about this topic in our blog. I'll put the link in the description. The exciting news is that you can seek one-on-one consultant with ConnectLink to get advice and plans to get your launching strategic plan. We have strong networks of investors and contributors who are excited to help founders to start and build their business. By working with us, you can find the best way to get advisors for each step of your launch journey. Don't wait and click the link in the description to book the first consultant with us. For those who are new to this channel and not familiar with ConnectLink, ConnectLink is a community that integrates resources and entrepreneurs who want to find talents and investors. Talents who aim to find real startups to contribute, and investors to find interesting startups to fund. Please check our website in the description if you are any one of these groups that have enthusiasm in startup business. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or additional tips to share, please leave a comment below. If you enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon. See you next video.